of the Alps bus b7094 cinnamon, and outside it's dark. Dark rain consensus because of the cloud covered with a warm ocean that concentrates form on the form of the tiny water particles and the cloud, and eventually it falls down. The water drops. After hour or minutes, it stops to top a water jet. So this is for the and the Rum Alps bus. The seats are changed because needs of it. Whatever your color. Mine is black. Maybe maybe just one. It's okay colors like gray or dark gray. It's okay lang. It's okay. Because of colors change. It's still rainy outside without thunder. Thunder can form and start with lightning strikes. It's very dark outside. You cannot drive. Instead, only you can eat. Maybe eating, but it's okay. It's okay, man. It's okay. Nothing. But find it. Okay lang. Pero sa rin, bawal. The rain stops. Time to open. It's lighting. And the wipers on bus doesn't work because of the mistakes, but in real life it works without mistakes. About 1 minute of reading by gameplay, it's very useless because of the one wiper don't move. It causes another like a equal that cannot follow. So you see that not working wipers. Oh, sorry. You cannot turn on the light when it's dark because it's surrounding. Alps, YouTube. I'm gonna put it. Yep. Duplicate of capacity. Snakes. Whatever you mind on the near at base. And yeah. This is new bus. coyote and hyena. That sounds like a wolf. But my gut sounds right. Also up around the sun and the moon orbits in Earth. And look.